Hey everybody, it's my 07 919. Just put a new exhaust on Delkevic. I believe it's a 14 or 16-inch oval. So it's the dual exit. Comes with a Y pipe. Mind you, the Y pipe is a bit of a bitch to take off from the stock one and getting the new one on too. But overall, super impressed with the quality. Beautiful work on the exhaust. So shout out to Delkevic. But yeah, go ahead and get it started for you. Oh, stepdad wrote it. Who's in gear? So yeah, overall super impressed. Very easy kit to install. Comes with these really nice brackets. Comes with spacers, so you can use all the stock fasteners up top here, above there. Definitely need to go through and adjust a little more too. We'll get a little bit of a leak in between some of the between these fasteners, these links. So gotta go back through. But for now, gonna go take it out for the first ride and just see how she sounds. Yep. Have a good one.